So boys, look at question 27 now. This one's worth 4 marks, and it says, how can different strength training methods affect an athlete's performance? This is worth 4 marks, as I mentioned. We're talking here about strength training methods, and I've put them in red and bolded them. So we need to make sure we're talking about strength training methods and how they can affect an athlete's performance. If we look at our syllabus, we'll see here under types of training, it's our second dot point, strength training. And we need to, in our answer, we need to include free and fixed weights, elastic and hydraulic. So you need to include these 3 areas and relate it to how they can improve performance. So again, the first thing I noticed with this is that different strength training, got the right dot point, free or fixed weights with an example, elastic with an example, hydraulic with an example. So he's got the 3 key areas he must have in his answer first of all. Free or fixed weights, elastic, and then hydraulics. He goes through, you can read, I'm not going to read it word for word, but when he goes through the answer, what he does is he talks about free or fixed weights, and then gives it says what they are, and then gives an example how they can help increase their strength or improve their performance based on that strength training method. And that's what this question was after. It was really important, and for 4 marks, you need to cover the 3 specific areas of strength training: free or fixed weights with examples, elastic with example, hydraulics with examples specific to how it can affect an athlete's performance to get your 4 marks. For me, the main issue was, and look, I'm always into boys about underlining, and I really think this is important here, the way this has been underlined, it stands out. As soon as you see this response, I'm thinking this is a good answer. The key area, examples. It's very, very clear, and it is a good answer, but it reinforces that point. For me, the concern were that students didn't or weren't able to include the 3 areas: free or fixed weights, elastic or hydraulics. They spoke very generally about weight training. So you needed to include the specific 3 areas from the syllabus. These are the specific strength training methods. You had to include also examples for each section, and this is an area that I thought boys struggled in as well. A lot of boys would have some of the areas in there, but weren't able to include examples. So it's really important that they put the examples in there to show how it can affect an athlete's performance. But that was a very good answer, well set out, and for 4 marks, it's an easy 4 marks.